This is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a look at a 2023 Aviara AV36 with the outboard option. This is one of my favorite boats by Aviara. Actually, one of my favorite boats we have on the lot. They do a really great job, and we're going to go over all those features right now together. Starting at the transom, first thing you notice, there's three 300 Mercury outboarders on this boat. It's 900 horsepower. These motors are spectacular. They're efficient, they're quiet, they're powerful. Great power option for this boat. As we continue to move forward, another thing Aviara does very well is they put the battery spot in an easy place to access. So when you get on the boat, underneath the port side lounger, you pop that thing up, your battery switches are right there. You don't have to go hunting for them in the boat. They're not downstairs, they're not behind the seat, right there underneath the loungers as you walk in. So you would flip on your batteries, you come here, you hit your lights right here, boat lights up, very cleverly placed stuff, easy to find, very smart by Aviara. Another innovative thing that this is the only brand C do are these bench style seats. So you have the stadium style seating, they're on a nice little cushion here. So if you want to be out on the water and you have people to the left or the right, if you're anchored up on the sandbar, or if you're at a raft up, you have a nice place to sit here and hang with the boat to the left or to the right of you. And just a neat idea by Aviara. These bolsters fold up, so if you have people in the water and you wanted to face back, you have one seat here, two here, so you have three this way, three this way. Put 6 people here comfortably, all hanging out, all listening to the music. Great place to hang out. If we continue to move around, there is a step down into the cockpit. Underneath here, you have dedicated storage for your fenders, which is a great idea. So they're not just laying around or underneath seats. Dedicated storage for your cockpit, or for your fenders rather. As we continue to move in, this is your kind of sink fridge prep station. So you have a 120 volt here. So if you wanted to bring a blender or anything else that needed to plug in, make some mixed drinks, perfect spot for that. You got a sink underneath this countertop, and under this countertop you got a Kenyan electric grill. So great spot to prep food, make drinks. You got a fridge right here. You also have your wastebasket storage right here. Additional storage underneath here, and then to the left you have another takeaway cooler. So if you wanted to take this in the house, load it up with your provisions for the day, bring it back on the boat. Everything has a place to be stowed away. Very clever. One thing I would like to talk about before we move forward is this does have the extendable sunshade. So on a warm day, if you wanted to kick the sunshade out, it would cover this rear sun pad, give you more shade out of the sun, nice, comfortable. Again, great boat to spend many hours out on the water on. Lots of seating. You got the big L-shaped seating. You got speakers throughout. This is the Cool Touch vinyl, so even on a warm day, it's cool to the touch. This is innovated by Aviara. No other brand has this as well. Another neat thing you notice is the seat over here. So currently it's in the forward facing position. So if you're underway and you wanted to face where you're going and have a little backrest, it does that great. Or if you anchor up, want to extend your seating, now you have it facing the other way for more people to be back there comfortable hanging out on the water. Moving to the starboard side, we have the captain's section. You have the captain's and a companion chair. You do have the Mercury joystick piloting. If you're not familiar with that, it's a game changer. It makes getting off the dock, getting to the restaurant, skyhook, which will hold you in place if you're waiting for a bridge to open, or anything that you would need to do that helps you control the boat. The joystick is the way to go. It has the upgraded Mercury binnacles, all new. And as we move to the Simrad screens, this is your engine data over here with some of your quick access toggle lights, helm power, horn, blower, lights, your ones that you're going to need the most often. You have your multi-function Simrad display screen here. This is where your maps, your charts will be, water depth, temperature. And then this is all your boat control. So you have your stereo, you have your lights. Great sounding stereo. This boat comes with clip stereo. It's one of the better sounding sound systems I've ever seen on a boat. In addition to that, you do have a great lighting package. So that does all the colors that you'd want to see. You could really light this thing up at night, and it's quite the sight to see as you're going to a restaurant or something. As we continue to move forward, take a second and have Kate go down there and show you the underneath. So if you wanted to get out of the sun for the day, there's plenty of space just to lounge around out here. You have a TV, you have another microwave. So you have a microwave down here, you have the grill upstairs. If you wanted to overnight, there's enough room to do that. And it does come with the head that you can see right here. Plenty of room for the head. And just a great little cabin on this boat. For a 36 foot boat, it's plenty of room. It's pretty impressive. If you want to take a step out. All right, now we'll move forward to the bow. Cup holders throughout. Moving forward, you do have a gate here, a wind gate, and this big glass. Notice the one-piece windshield with the nice big door here. Plenty of wind blockage while you're underway. And since this is an Aviara, they do have deep bows, the 32, the 36. They all have pretty deep bows up here, so you're safe and comfortable when you're underway. If you want to have kids up here, or friends or family while you're driving, know that they're going to be secure. You got handles to either side. You have stereo controls up here. Again, more speakers carried throughout. And then up here at the top, you have your windlass anchor. So you have your controls up here, as well as a freshwater washdown to wash off your anchor. Pretty much everything you need for a day on the water. If you have any questions about the AV36 that we're on right now, or any other boat we have in our inventory, please give us a call at 631-424-2710. Again, that's 631-424-2710. My name is Josh, or any of our sales consultants will be happy to help you. Thank you for stopping by today and taking another look at this boat with me, and hope to see you out on the water.